It's on fishing Long Island. We're over here in a different state, testing the waters out. See what we're gonna catch today. Don't know what's in here. Park property. You got Germ over there hooking up our special lure. It's on fishing. Let's go. First cast of the day. Oh, he had a hit. Throw it back out there. I don't think these fish ever seen what we're throwing in here. It's probably new to them. Oh, he got one. What is it? What is it?
I'm trying to.
What is it?
It's a bluegill.
I can't see.
A bluegill.
Bluegill?
Yeah.
That's what's up. First fish of the day on the second cast.
That was a sucky throw.
It was alright though.
Yeah. And I'm trying to loop this in like nice. Cause this is not good. That was a sucky throw too. Sucky throw.
You got any more hits?
No. Now.
Oh, he got another one. He got another one.
What are you doing?
What's that?
Oh, he's bleeding.
He's bleeding?
Yeah.
Nah.
Sam bit it. Okay, if I can't. What do,
Got one.
I did not notice that.
I ain't noticed it either. Another one?
Oh, that one's a little bit bigger.
Still don't compare to the fish that we catch.
Oh.
You know, out there in Mastic.
But it's still different types of fish that we haven't catch. Yeah. That's good. And it's still jumping right there. We should go over there.
We over here sight fishing. Can't see nothing. This water's real cloudy. You see it following it?
No, not following it.
All right, one more throw. Throw that way. Just.
Please.
Yeah.
Oh, Saint just did it. Oh, see, he's biting it.
Okay.
I thought it like.
Hey, I see it hit it again.
Oh, I did it.
Throw it again.
Yeah, I throw it again that way, same way. Same way.
Yeah.
Right there. Oh, Mister. No, I didn't. They're just biting the tail and starting to run with it. See?
You want?
See? Yeah, they're playing around with it.
You want to come down here?
They're turning up the tail.
Nice, it's because they little.
I know they're that's what fish do, bite from the tail.
Right here, right here. Let's try this one.
Okay.
Try to see if we catch some big bluegills or bass. We saw one bass. That's it.
One bass.
Wasn't too big. But we saw one.
Oh,
it came off the.
Yeah.
As soon as he threw it in the water, he got hit.
Oh,
He got him. What is it?
I don't know.
Nice little another.
Oh, the thing.
Neat.
Oh, it's like the same one you got.
Yeah.
It's not like the same, though. So. Yeah. Oh, can't do it. Oh.
Got it.
Oh,
right out. He almost hooked me.
That's
almost hooked me.
That's the fish fault. That's the fish fault. Sorry, fish for blaming, but it's still your fault. If you bite it all the way, you won't hurt nobody. I got it.
You got it?
Nope, it was a small fish. The trout Maggie just came up. And it's still biting
It's
it.
still, he got it. Something tried to attack.
This is the same fish. It jumped right in the air and came back in. Oh.
Hmm?
Okay, let's see.
I ain't gonna get that hit again. They going for my string. They going for the string. You saw him?
Yeah.
They going for the string.
Oh, I thought you hooked my face.
I tried to.
Don't even don't. He was running with it. You got it.
Oh, oh, snap.
What?
It's a bass.
It's a bass?
Yeah.
It's a bass. Look at that. Oh, that bass is chunky. Oh, my God. That bass is chunky.
I didn't see that.
Oh, shit. Chunky bass. Oh, Lord. It's trying to splash me. Don't.
We know this. Bass in here. Bluegills, different type of bluegills. Oh, what was that?
I don't know.
That was a big hit.
You think that was a big hit?
It pulled your rod down.
I know. And the one is going after the string. You see all of them going after the string, right?
Yeah, they want the string.
They don't want the... Oh, look at that. Now they're all chasing that.
One more time, throw it back out there.
They're all chasing that now. Those fish is that hungry.
Yeah, they little.
Oh, what they eat?
I don't know, probably these mosquitoes.
They'll barely be in the water.
Oh, he got it. Whoever it is, he got it.
The thing is not even fighting.
No.
Oh, it's small. Why you going that way? Sorry, I had to drag you. I was going to get stuck. Oh, shoot. I was not even trying. It's a small bluegill. Oh.
Yeah. Oh, what the hell is that? What is that? You see it?
Oh my God, that's a warhog. Oh my God. Oh, shit.
Don't.
Yo. Sorry, I had to reel that in.
What's that? The beaver?
Yes, a beaver.
That was a beaver?
Yes, that was a beaver. That's a beaver. Oh, that scared me. Please don't.
I hope I got it on camera because I wasn't paying attention. I was looking in.
I hope the beaver doesn't bite that.
Nah, it's not gonna bite it.
Or he get snagged by it. I don't see nothing. What do you see?
I don't see nothing. Let's go.
Then why you telling me to throw it?
Nah, just. Got one. What is that? Biggest bluegill of the day.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah, it is.
No,
Oh, shoot.
it's not a bluegill. That's a
Oh, what?
let me see.
Oh, it's like the one you caught.
That's a bigger one. Let me see.
You said it's not bluegill.
No, it's not bluegill.
It's a different breed of it.
Nah.
Huh?
Nah, it's not. Oh shit! He caught a largemouth bass.
This doesn't look like the one you had.
No, it's a little smaller. Let me look. There you go.
We both caught a bass.
Got something.
He got something. Oh, shit, that's
Got
fighting.
something.
Reel it in. Oh, so what? Oh, that's a bluegill right there. Is that bluegill?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not no bluegill. Oh, it's chunky.
Chunky. We get y'all the name of this fish.
That fish. I thought it was a different species of bluegill. Look on the tail.
Look, you see all these like marks on it,
Yeah.
like fungus or something.
Fungus.
Yeah.